Pesa ambayo iweze faidi mke wako na watoto sio pesa, ni uongo.
The money that cannot benefit your wife and your children, it's not money, that's a lie.
So sio pesa inafanya mtu tajiri.
It's not money that makes person
the right mind
rich.
So wale wa kuoa na kuolewa, tafadhali ndio sikatae mtu hata mtu ajikakamue, hata kama shati ni moja anavua, si kweli?
He has one shirt, he washes it.
Yeye kama anavua nguo pia akili yake ni safi.
If he can wash the clothes, his mind is also clean.
Si ndio? Akili yake,
his mind is also clean. It's also clean.
Ni mfuko haina pesa, lakini akili iko safi. Kale kanguo kamoja anakavua.
Is clean. He is consistently cleaning one clothes and is ironing it.
Iko sana.
He is not.
Anakapiga pass kana simama shwa.
So he can iron it and to stand up.
Sasa kama unamunanga na nguo moja, angalia kama ni safi.
Kama
ni safi utajua mtu ako na tumaini.
If that cloth is clean, realize that person has an hope.
I have
realized another way to check
even
if he has one
cloth,
and he is able to wash it and tomorrow, it will be clean. That person has a future.
And a future?
He has a future.
It
has been changed the color. You can't identify which was the color. So even if that person is rich, that's how you will become.
So you will
be asked, how come that this person does not bake for a week? You can still do with one paint. Now you are suffering from cons that it is that or uncleanness.
Kama ugangu wake wacha mseso.
Ukethero thamba we amberia guthamba kumaru arere ka mucetho.
Katugele mbone yego.
I will take you to Mbone because it has water. We take you there to swim.